Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do something just a little bit different. So instead of doing a makeup look, I'm actually going to be talking to you guys about my life and where I've been the last couple of months and why I haven't been on YouTube. So if you would like to see, then please keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to make this as simple and as short and as honest as possible. So I haven't been doing YouTube videos recently because that's my daughter. I haven't been doing YouTube videos recently because a lot has changed. Me and my now ex broke up a couple of months ago. I am going to be moving again for the second time in the last couple of months. I lost my job and let's see, I'm trying to cover everything. So I lost my job like a week or two ago. I am going to be moving twice. That's why there's like nothing in the background, basically. Like there's nothing here. I'm moving out. I am not with my ex, and just a whole bunch of things are going on in my life. And the reason that I'm deciding or chose to talk to you guys about all of this is because I do want to take YouTube seriously. I miss doing makeup, I miss filming, and I miss doing all these things. And like, although I don't have a ton of subscribers, I do know that there are quite a few of you who do follow me and have been asking about me and stuff like that. And because I'm choosing to take this seriously, I just want you guys to know what's going on. Like, I just want to be 100% honest and let you guys know. So I'm going through a really hard time, and I'm trying to stay positive, and I'm trying to figure out life and all this chaotic stuff that's been going on. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much the basics. Sorry, I keep messing with my hair. It's just like all over the place, and it's getting kind of hot in here, so I have to take that off. But anyway, so I should be moving into a house pretty soon here, and hopefully getting things set up, because obviously this is a lot different from like my makeup room and, you know, having the lights and the camera and stuff like that. Like right now I'm filming in front of a window in natural light on my cell phone. So yeah, I just really wanted to get on here and tell you guys that I really want to do this. I really want to do YouTube. So I hope that I can keep up with it, because I always end up coming back to it. I always end up coming back to YouTube. Like, I've noticed that. Like, I did it for like a couple of months, and then I fell off for a couple of months, and then I got back recently for a couple of months, and then I fell off again. But I mean, you can't stop life in the way things happen. Like, at first I had to stop doing it because I was having issues, and I was working a lot, and I was taking care of my kids, obviously, and all that other stuff. So it was just difficult. But anyway, so yeah, I just want to let you guys know that. Linnea, stop being loud. But yeah, so this is me, this is real life, this is like as real as it's going to get, like, but I just want to, like I said, I just want to get on here, explain what's going on, be honest with you guys, be open, because, I mean, this is just like the reality of things, you know. It's not all pretty makeup and fun and this and that. Life's hard. Life's really hard. It really is. And for any of you that are out there that are going through things and going through life and problems and issues and stuff like that, just try to stay positive. I mean, that's what I've been trying to do. I've been trying to stay positive and optimistic and just trying to figure out, you know, life, and things happen for a reason. And I do believe that's why I'm at this point in my life, like where I'm at and stuff. I mean, it's just a girl trying to figure out what to do. But YouTube is definitely one of the things I really want to do and really want to stick with. So that's pretty much it. I don't want to like keep rambling on and all that crazy stuff, so I just wanted to film a short little video. I hope that you guys appreciate it, like it, and maybe I'll get to talk about it more. But yeah, YouTube is something I definitely want to pursue. So if you like this little rant or like this little video, then please don't forget to like and subscribe. Sorry, there's like cars driving by. Life's a trip. So yeah, anyway, if you did like it, do want to see me make more videos on makeup, and if you want me to talk about life, and if you want to know my advice or anything like that, I could film videos about it. I can. So if you do, then just subscribe. And until my next video, which I hope is soon, I will see you guys next time. Bye.